Kernel Neurotech is a pioneering neurotechnology company that has developed a revolutionary neuroimaging platform called Kernel Flow. This state-of-the-art headset combines high-resolution hemodynamics and EEG to provide a comprehensive view of cortical brain activity. It's portable, user-friendly, and delivers immediate access to research-grade neuroimaging results. Kernel's advanced AI and machine learning tools generate actionable biomarkers from the wealth of data gathered by Flow. The company is currently applying this technology to research into neurological diseases and dysfunctions such as Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, depression, and anxiety. With a firm belief in data-driven development and scalable technology, Kernel is on a mission to accelerate treatment discovery, improve patient outcomes, and transform neuromedicine with precision biomarkers. Their brain-based biomarkers and reliable data can empower and accelerate your goals. Carmat Bioprosthetic Total Artificial Heart, known as ESN, is a revolutionary device designed to replace the natural heart in patients at risk of imminent death from biventricular failure and who are not eligible for heart transplantation. This total artificial heart is designed to fit uniquely in the human thoracic cavity and aims to provide a long-term solution for patients with end-stage biventricular heart failure. The Carmat TAH addresses the issues of poor hemocompatibility and quality of life seen with other devices, offering a new hope for patients with advanced heart failure. The first U.S. implantation of Carmat's bioprosthetic artificial heart was performed at Duke University Hospital, marking a significant milestone in the field of cardiovascular diseases and heart failure treatment. This innovation is a game-changer in the medical field, offering a new lease of life for patients with severe heart conditions. Digital twin technology is a cutting-edge concept that involves creating a virtual model, or twin, of a physical object, system, or process. This isn't just a static model, but a dynamic one that evolves and changes in real time as its physical counterpart goes through its life cycle. The way this works is by outfitting the physical object with a variety of sensors. These sensors are strategically placed to monitor key performance indicators such as energy output, temperature, and even external factors like weather conditions. The data generated by these sensors is then relayed to a processing system and applied to the digital twin. This digital twin isn't just a mirror image, but a powerful tool for analysis and improvement. It can be used to run simulations under different conditions, identify potential performance issues, and even suggest improvements. For example, if the digital twin of a wind turbine shows excessive wear in certain parts. Waymo, a subsidiary of Alphabet Inc., is a pioneer in the field of autonomous driving technology. Originally known as the Google Self-Driving Car Project, Waymo was founded in 2009 and has been at the forefront of developing self-driving technology. Their mission is to make it safe and easy for people and things to move around. They've developed Waymo One, a ride-hail service that offers fully electric, self-driving cars, currently operating in cities like San Francisco and Phoenix. Waymo's roots can be traced back to the Stanford racing team, which competed in the 2005 and 2007 DARPA Grand Challenges. In 2020, Waymo made history by becoming the first company to offer service to the public without safety drivers in the vehicle. Today, Waymo operates commercial robotaxi services in Phoenix, Arizona. ABB Limited is a multinational corporation headquartered in Switzerland and Sweden, known for its work in industrial automation, power technology, and robotics. The company was born from the merger of Sweden's ASEA and Switzerland's Braun, Boveri & Cie in 1988. ABB is a global leader in electrification and automation, driving a more sustainable and resource-efficient future. Their solutions combine engineering expertise and software to optimize manufacturing, movement, power, and operations. In 2021, ABB generated over $28.9 billion in revenue. Their core activities. Project Loon. This ambitious initiative was launched by Alphabet Incorporated's Moonshot Factory, with the goal of bringing internet access to remote and rural areas. Imagine this: high-altitude balloons, floating in the stratosphere at altitudes of 18 to 25 kilometers, creating an aerial wireless network with speeds up to 1 megabit per second. These balloons could be maneuvered by adjusting their altitude to catch the right wind layer for the desired speed and direction. Users on the ground could connect to this network using a special internet antenna on their building. The signal would then travel through the balloon network, down to a ground-based station, and from there into the global internet. Project Loon began in 2011 and was announced as a Google project in 2013. It became an independent business within Alphabet in 2018. However, in January 2021, the project Mars Surface Simulated Habitat, also known as Mars Dune Alpha. This isn't just any habitat, it's a 3D, printed structure designed by the renowned architecture firm Big-Jark Ingalls Group, located at the Johnson Space Center in Houston, Texas. Spanning 1,700 square feet, this habitat is part of NASA's Crew Health and Performance Exploration Analog, or CHAPEA. It's here that a series of one-year Mars surface mission simulations will take place, providing invaluable data on the physical and behavioral health outcomes for future space missions. The habitat is thoughtfully designed, with private crew quarters, dedicated workstations, medical stations, and even food. Lunar Habitation by SOM concept by Skidmore, Owings and Merrill LLP, or SOM. This isn't just any habitat, it's a concept for the first full-time human habitat on the lunar surface. Developed in collaboration with the European Space Agency and MIT, the project, known as Moon Village, is set on the rim of Shackleton Crater near the Moon's south pole. This location is bathed in near-continuous daylight throughout the lunar year and is close to essential natural resources. The habitat consists of individual 4-level units that are inflatable and can be compressed for transport to the Moon by rocket. Once there, they would be expanded to full size. Each unit is built around a hybrid structural design that includes a rigid titanium alloy perimeter frame and a soft structural shell. The Moon Village could grow over time, evolving from a research settlement into thriving communities offering wider opportunities such as tourism. This project represents a significant step towards Hyperloop passenger pods by Big-Jark Ingalls Group. These pods are part of an autonomous transportation system developed in collaboration with Hyperloop One. Imagine traveling at high speeds through a near-airless tunnel. Each pod is contained within a transporter, a pressure vessel attached to a chassis for levitation and propulsion that can accelerate the transporter to a whopping 1,100 km per hour. The interior of the pods is designed with soft, circular forms and has room for 6 people. This system aims to significantly reduce travel time. For instance, it's projected that passengers could travel from downtown Dubai to downtown Abu Dhabi in just 12 minutes, replacing a 2-hour drive. In November 2020, the first human passengers traveled in a big-designed Virgin Hyperloop pod, reaching speeds of 100 miles per hour in a test conducted in a tunnel in the Nevada desert. Oasis Towers, a mixed-use residential and commercial complex located in Nanjing, China. Designed by the Bioprosthetic Ingalls Group, these two 150-meter-tall towers, each 40 stories high, stand as a green haven in a rapidly developing part of the city. The towers are highly efficient, with floor plans for large sections being almost identical, varying only in the shapes of the curving balconies. The two L-shaped towers face each other from the north and south corners, with a 3 to 4 stories podium creating a perimeter that encloses the majority of the site to create